Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. Today we're talking about something deeper than attraction, 7 ways to make a guy your best friend. Because when a guy feels like you're his best friend, everything changes. He laughs differently, trusts differently, loves differently. So let's talk about 7 ways to become that person, the one he can't help but feel safe and alive around. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is the real glue that makes him never want to lose you. 1. Have fun like friends, not like lovers. Do dumb things together. Play games. Watch something ridiculous. Compete over who's worse at karaoke. When you create those friendship moments, you're reminding him that you're not just someone he flirts with, you're someone he enjoys. This is how emotional chemistry deepens, through shared joy, not just attraction. Because when fun comes first, feelings follow fast. 2. Laugh together, but not just at jokes. It's easy to laugh when something's funny, but the kind of laughter that leaps people? That's the laughter that comes from feeling seen. When you can share weird inside jokes, tease him playfully, or even turn boring moments into something fun, you're creating emotional safety. He's not just enjoying your humor, he's enjoying being himself around you. Because when a guy can be silly around you, that's when he knows he's safe to fall. 3. Be real with him. Not perfect. Guys don't get close to perfection. They get closer to honesty. When you talk about your real thoughts, admit when you're nervous, or laugh at your own flaws, it opens a door for him to do the same. When he sees that you're not trying to impress him, he naturally lowers his guard. That's how emotional intimacy begins, not through filters, but through truth. Perfection makes him stare, but realness makes him stay. 4. Respect his quiet moments. Every guy has that side of him that goes silent, not because he's cold, but because he's recharging. Most people panic when that happens. But if you can stay calm, give him space, and not take it personally, you instantly stand out. You're showing emotional maturity, that you understand connection doesn't always need constant words. That kind of peace is addictive to a man. Sometimes silence says, I trust you enough not to fill the space. 5. Celebrate his wins, even the small ones. When you hype him up for things other people overlook, like fixing something, hitting a gym goal, or finishing that stressful project, it hits different. You're telling him, I see you, not just as a man, but as a person. And believe me, when a guy feels emotionally celebrated, he starts associating you with pride, peace, and happiness. A woman who claps for him when no one's watching becomes unforgettable. 6. Share secrets and memories. Let him in. Guys fall for the girls they feel emotionally trusted by. When you tell him things no one else knows, small or big, it signals deep connection. You're not just sharing stories, you're building emotional roots. The moment he realizes you trust him enough to be vulnerable, something inside him softens. When trust becomes natural, attraction becomes inevitable. 7. Be his calm in chaos. When life gets stressful, most people add pressure. Be the opposite. Be the person who listens without fixing, comforts without judging, and stays steady when he's frustrated. That balance of peace and presence makes a man's heart attached in the healthiest way. It's not about rescuing him. It's about reminding him that he's safe with you, even when life isn't. In a world full of noise, being its quiet is magnetic. Bonus, don't rush it. Let friendship become love. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not try too hard. True friendship grows naturally. You can't fast forward emotional comfort. It builds one shared moment at a time. When you stop trying to control the outcome and just enjoy the connection, that's when love sneaks in quietly and stays. Because when it feels like home, labels don't matter, the bond does. So if you've ever wondered how to make a guy your best friend, remember, it's not about doing everything right. It's about being emotionally real, fun, safe, and consistent. Because when friendship and attraction meet, That's when you build something that actually lasts. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.